welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2024 Porsche Cayenne. This is one of the most popular luxury SUVs on the market, and for good reason. It's got a stylish design, a powerful engine, and a luxurious exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The Cayenne has a bold and aggressive design that makes it stand out from the crowd. It's got a wide stance, a sloping roofline, and large air intakes. For 2024, Porsche has made some subtle changes to the exterior design, including a new grille, headlights, and taillights. The interior of the Cayenne is just as impressive as the exterior. It's made with high-quality materials like leather and Alcantara. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and there's plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The new dashboard is inspired by the Cayenne sedan and features a large touchscreen and a digital instrument cluster. No matter which engine you choose, the Cayenne is a blast to drive. It handles like a sports car and has plenty of power to get you where you need to go quickly. The Cayenne can also tow up to 7,700 pounds, making it a great choice for people who need an SUV that can handle it all. The Cayenne is also one of the safest SUVs on the market. It comes standard with a variety of safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Overall, the 2024 Porsche Cayenne is an excellent luxury SUV. It's stylish, powerful, luxurious, and safe. If you're looking for an SUV that can do it all, the Cayenne is a great option. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look at the 2024 Porsche Cayenne. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.